Students, next topic is circulatory pathway. Circulatory pathway. And what is this circulatory pathway? We will see. The circulatory patterns are of two types, open or closed. Circulatory pathway कितने टाइप का होता है? Open and closed are of two types. And open circulatory pathway is present in the arthropods and molluscs. And in this open circulatory pathway, blood pumped by the heart passes through the larger vessel into the open spaces or a body cavity called as sinus. When the blood enter into the heart, then the blood is pumped by the heart passes through the larger vessel. Pumped heart जो होता है, पम्प्ड ब्लड जो तो हार्ट से पास होकर किधर जाएगा, लार्जर वेसल में इंटर हो जाएगा. एंड इंटरिंग इनटू दिस लार्जर वेसल इट्स ओपन इनटू द स्पेसेस और बॉडी कैविटीज. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द साइनस. ब्लड पम्प्ड by heart passes into blood pumped by the heart passes into the spaces or body cavities called sinuses. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Sinuses. And this blood passes into body cavities through the larger capillaries. किसके थ्रू होगा ये? Larger capillaries. Now this type of the blood circulatory pathway is called as open circulatory pathway. So another one is the closed circulatory pathway, and it is present in the annelids and the chordates. Present in the annelids and the chordates. Open circulatory pathway present in the arthropods and the molluscs. Now we will see what is closed circulatory pathway. These are the closed circulatory pathway. In the closed circulatory pathway or system, blood pumped by the heart always circulated through a closed network of the blood vessels. Means when the blood pumped out, blood pumped होने के बाद किधर जाएगा ये? Heart से passed into the closed network of vessels. Closed network of vessels में ही circulate होगा ये. इसमें open नहीं होता, सारा का सारा closed network vessels रहेगा, इसमें ही pass out हो जाएगा. And this pattern is considered as more advantageous as flow of liquid fluid can be more preciously regulated. As compared to the open circulatory pathway, closed circulatory pathway is act as a more beneficial or the more advantageous for the flow of the blood. Now, all vertebrates possess a muscular chambered heart. Vertebrates, and these vertebrates having the muscular chambered heart. Muscular chambered heart. Now, vertebrates include fish, amphibians. Next one is reptiles, birds, and the mammals. Now we will see which type of the heart is present in all vertebrates. Fishes have a two-chambered heart. Fish includes two-chambered heart. Two-chambered heart with one atrium. इसमें क्या होगा? One atrium and one ventricle. Amphibians include two-chambered heart. Amphibians or reptiles having the three-chambered heart. Amphibians and this reptile include three-chambered heart. Now its dividation is two atria. कितने atria होगा यहाँ पर? Two atria and the one ventricle. Fish consist of two-chambered heart. Amphibians and reptile consist of three-chambered heart. But in reptiles, crocodiles are not included. Except this crocodile, these amphibian and reptile having the three-chambered heart. Now the crocodile, birds and the mammals include the फोर चैम्बर्ड हार्ट. कितने हैं चैम्बर हार्ट के? 4-chambered heart, and in this 2-chambered heart, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. Understand all of you? All these are the vertebrates having the muscular chambered heart, and these vertebrates include fish, amphibians, reptile, birds and the mammals. Now in this, fish consists of 2-chambered heart, 1 atrium, 1 ventricle. Amphibians and reptiles except crocodile having the 3-chambered heart, including 2 atria and the 1 ventricle. Birds and mammals, and in birds and mammals also crocodile comes having the 4-chambered hearts for 2 atria and the 2 ventricles. Now in fishes, the hearts pumps out deoxygenated blood, which is oxygenated by the gills and supplied to the body parts, from where deoxygenated blood is returned to the heart. Now in the fish, 2-chambered heart is present, 1 atrium and the 1 ventricles, and the heart pumps out deoxygenated blood. सबसे पहले heart क्या करेगा? Pump करेगा deoxygenated blood, which is oxygenated by the gills and supplied to the body parts. First heart pumped out, बाहर करेगा सारा का सारा pump करेगा, pumped out deoxygenated blood, and which is oxygenated by, और ये deoxygenated blood oxygenate कैसा होगा? Oxygenated using gills का यूज़ कर ये oxygenated हो जाएगा, and then supplied to the all body parts. Now in amphibians and the reptiles, the left atrium receive the oxygenated blood from the body parts. 2 atria, it consists of the left and the right atria, and then in left atria the deoxygenated blood is pumped out from taken by the gills and the lungs and skin, and the right atriums get deoxygenated blood from the other parts of the body. However, they get mixed up into the single ventricles, और दोनों के बाद जो मिल जाएगा किधर आकर मिलेगा? Into a single ventricle, and then it's pumped out as a mixed blood. That's why this type of mixed blood is called as the incomplete double circulation. This first of all left एट्रिया होगा, उसके बाद राइट एट्रिया होगा. लेफ्ट एट्रिया में ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड पम्प्ड होगा, एंड देन राइट एट्रिया में डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड पास होगा, एंड देन बोथ गेट मिक्स इनटू द वेंट्रिकल, एंड दिस गेट पम्प्ड आउट is called as the incomplete double circulation. Now in birds, mammals, 4-chambered heart present, 2 atria and the 2 ventricle, and in this 4-chambered heart, oxygenated and deoxygenated blood received by the left and right atria. ऑक्सीजनेटेड एंड डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड कैसे रिसीव होगा? फर्स्ट लेफ्ट में जाएगा एंड सेकेंड राइट आर्टरिया में जाएगा रिस्पेक्टिवली, एंड देन दीज वेंट्रिकल्स पम्प्ड इट out without any mixing up. That is, 2 separate circulatory pathway are present in this organism. and mixing होगा क्या इसमें? जैसे एम्फीबियंस एंड रेप्टाइल में होता है, वेंट्रिकल में जाकर दोनों ऑक्सीजनेटेड एंड डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड इज गेट मिक्सड इन वेंट्रिकल्स, बट इन दिस लेफ्ट एंड द राइट एट्रिया में ब्लड पास होगा. फर्स्ट लेफ्ट एट्रिया है, लेफ्ट एट्रिया कंसिस्ट ऑफ द ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड, इसमें कौन सा ब्लड होगा? ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. एंड द राइट एट्रिया में पंप कौन सा होगा? ब्लड डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. एंड दिस 2 ब्लड इज देन ट्रांसफर्ड इनटू द सेम वेंट्रिकल साइड, और इसके वेंट्रिकल साइड सेम होते हैं. इसके बाद लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल एंड द राइट वेंट्रिकल. इसके बाद ये ब्लड इधर से इधर पास हो जाएगा, और ये वाला ब्लड राइट एट्रिका से राइट एट्रिया से राइट वेंट्रिकल को पास हो जाएगा, एंड दे डू नॉट मिक्स इनटू द वेंट्रिकल. दैट्स व्हाई इज कॉल्ड एज द 2 separate circulatory pathway system. These animals having the double circulation. This type of circulation is called as double circulation, and it is present in the birds and the mammals.